days before making entry.
Yeah, it definitely hurt something, Steve, but it died very, very quickly when he got to the entry area. Hopefully it was nothing too bad. This car... Ooh. Didn't like that one, Steve, just being
Delivery issue. I'll tell you what, I'm putting B50 on my list. Adam Quinn, well, that wasn't Adam Quinn, and that's the 1000, but the number was B50 for best tipping. Tell you what, Steve, you and I are going to have a bit of a head scratching going on. That's not a good sign, Steve, when the bonnet's up. No, never a good sign. Not at any racetrack, whether you're doing burnouts or drag racing, circuit racing, whatever it might be. The bonnet's up, it's usually somewhat expensive.